Hello, this is Fuji. In this video, I will explain how to create a chatbot on TaskMagic from scratch. Yesterday, a video was released on Jeremy's official YouTube channel that said you can create a chatbot with TaskMagic. I also watched this video yesterday and immediately wanted to create a chatbot, but I failed at first. So I asked a question and this bug was fixed, and now I can create a chatbot on TaskMagic without any problems. So I will explain how to create a chatbot from scratch. First, as a preface, I have to talk about one thing. First of all, I explained that I would create a chatbot on TaskMagic this time, but this is actually a feature of Activepieces. As you know, an automated app called Activepieces is built into TaskMagic. This means that the feature of creating a chatbot in Activepieces is also built into TaskMagic. That's why you can create a chatbot on TaskMagic. Now that you know that, let's actually create a chatbot on TaskMagic. First, start TaskMagic. When you start it, click the button to add a new automation in the upper right. In this, select Apps. Then the page opens. Can you see the item called Chatbot in the left bar? Click here. Then select Create Chatbot. Click this button. Then you can set up a chatbot on this page. First, set the name of the chatbot as you like. This time I will name it TestBot. Next, enable public access. By enabling this, you can publish it on your website or WordPress site. Enable. Next, connect your OpenAI API key here. Click this item called OpenAI Connection. There is an item called New Connection. Click this, then you can enter your OpenAI API key here and connect it. Get the API key from OpenAI and save it here. This time I've already set up the OpenAI API key, so I will use this setting. Next, you can assign the role of the chatbot. I named it Fuji Takeo. I gave it the role of acting as Fuji Takeo. Next, you can train this chatbot. As a training method, you can add a data source and talk based on that data. The name of the data source is TestBot. You can upload a PDF here. Let's choose this PDF this time. This PDF is a free ebook I distributed on my blog. I will upload this ebook. Then click the Confirm button. Based on the contents of this PDF, you can have a chatbot conversation. It has been added now. Let's go back to the previous page. Here's the chatbot I just created. When you click this share icon, the URL has been copied. Let's actually embed this chatbot in your WordPress site. First, display the WordPress site. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Let's display it on a fixed page this time. Click Fixed Page in New. First, click this plus icon and select Custom HTML. You can enter HTML here, but there is one caveat. Even if you enter the URL of the TaskMagic chatbot you just got, it will not be displayed well. The chatbot will not be displayed in your WordPress site. So I will use this iframe this time. There is a place that says Enter here in this iframe. Insert the URL of the chatbot you just got here. Copy the code of this iframe. Paste it here and preview it in this state. Then the TaskMagic chatbot will be displayed on the page. You can have a conversation here. I entered hello. Then the chatbot will reply. Of course, you can also have a conversation in Japanese. Let's ask if you can have a conversation in Japanese. Then the chatbot will reply that it is also possible to have a conversation in Japanese. You can fill in the chatbot in your WordPress like this. This is a completely side note, but there are many cases where you want to display it at the bottom right of your WordPress site. I'm sure you're watching this, and you want to display your chatbot at the bottom right or bottom left of your WordPress site. I'm sure there is a way to do that. But I didn't know how to do it, so I made a plugin to do it this time. Let's actually do it. Add a new plugin by adding a new plugin. Then upload the plugin. Select the file. I made a WordPress plugin called TaskMagic Custom Chatbot. Install this. Enable this. Then, a plugin called TaskMagic Custom Chatbot was added as a plugin for your WordPress. Next, open the chatbot settings from the settings. I entered the URL here. Save it. Then, icons like this will be added to your WordPress site, and you will be able to have a proper conversation here. It's like this. So I think it's perfectly possible to embed TaskMagic in the form of a chatbot. And now, I was thinking of releasing this plugin. I was going to give it to you, but I still have to improve the perfection of the prototype, such as increasing the reading speed and the design. Now, I can set the image of my profile icon in the settings, and I can set the color of the chatbot, but I have to improve it a little more, so I don't plan to release it yet. Probably if you wait. Activepieces or TaskMagic will make this type of WordPress plugin, so I think it's better to wait for it. If you can make your own WordPress plugin, I hope you can make it. So, for the time being, you can create a chatbot with TaskMagic in this way. And you can embed the created chatbot into your WordPress site without any problems. As for the iframe code, I'll put it in the video description area of this YouTube, so please use it. If you enter the URL of TaskMagic here, I think it will work without any problems. Please try it. Thank you very much.